Hey guys, it's Batman Collector here. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing the Flash Season 1 on Blu-ray. So yeah, let's get started. There we go. Okay, and as you can see, it has a really cool 3D lenticular cover. So yeah, and I got this at Target. Okay, so here's the case. It's pretty heavy. Now if you open here's a digital copy. Then here's disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, and disc 4. So yeah guys, that's my unboxing of the Flash Season 1. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Thank you. And also, tell me what's your favorite superhero TV show? Please leave your answer in the comment description below. See you guys later.